Hey Gemini, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Y'all, I'm pretty much doing this for all signs. This is so interesting. This is split because for some of you guys, I feel like if you guys were dealing with someone in your past, I do feel like they're wanting you to stay optimistic about being with them. They've been definitely trying to control a situation and how things play out, but they want you to keep an open mind about being with them. They don't want you to give up because they've been, I guess, healing from some type of family issue, whether it's childhood trauma or just current family issues that they're dealing with now with mother or father, their children. But they're trying to basically heal from something. Now, for those of you that doesn't apply to and you are single, I feel like Spirit is saying that they want you to stay optimistic about your love life, because just because things haven't been working out for you, you're not forgotten. I do feel like you guys are trying to control things when it comes to your love life. Like Spirit is saying they just want you to go with the flow. Like some of you guys it's okay to be guarded because people need to prove themselves to you, but some of y'all are a little too guarded, okay? And you don't want to basically like mess up something that can be really good. So they're saying that they want you to keep an open mind about that. So let's clarify, because I want to see if this is going to be like a single reading or if this is definitely the person from the past. So let's just see what comes out. Tell me about stay optimistic about your love life. Reconciliation, someone from your past is returning. See what I'm saying? I want to clarify that because it could be this person that you've been dealing with before, they're coming back, or this could be somebody new that you've never met in this lifetime and you dealt with them in a past life. So let's just see. Tell me about reconciliation, soulmate. Oh, they're tricky. This person is your soulmate. Give me one more card. Tell me about this person. Come on, Geminis. Let your friends help you. Oh, they're tricky, y'all. Okay. It's still split. So if you're single, they're saying don't give up. There's somebody that's coming in for you. It is your soulmate. And maybe you can meet this person because of like one of your friends. They could introduce you. But it could be the other person, somebody old trying to come back, and they're asking their friends to help them try to figure out what's the best approach. Let me get one more. I'm trying to figure this out. What is this? It didn't come out. Healing family issues. Somebody has to heal from some type of family issue. Tell me new love. Okay, y'all. This could be somebody completely new that's getting ready to come in, Gemini, if they haven't already. Or this is this past person. Okay, so let me look at these other two. Let's see, because that's not clear. It can go either way. Tell me about let go of control issues. Healing family issues. Y'all. Okay. I don't know who this is for. Who is this for? Okay. Listen, that card been trying to come out. Okay. So somebody is definitely trying to heal from some type of family issue. This could be you guys. Maybe there was something that you saw growing up and it's been like, this is why maybe you're controlling, your relationships or how things should play out. And they're letting you know there's something that you need to heal before love comes into your life. Now, if it's the person that you were dealing with in the past, I'm telling you, they're going through a situation where they're trying to heal from some type of issue. Because see, even I have calling in your soulmate. It's still split because if you're single, this could be someone new that's coming in. You're manifesting someone new to come in. If it's the past person, they're in a situation that they're not happy with and they're trying to manifest you. They want you back into their life. So let's see. Tell me about healing family issues. Worth waiting for. Spirit is saying you have to have patience. Y'all. What in the world? Hold on, Gemini. Tell me about worth waiting for. Romantic feelings. Y'all, it's still split. This is split. So it may be like Leo, where I'm going to have to break it down with this deck over here to see which way it's going to go. Because I'm telling you, if you're single, from what I'm seeing so far, there's somebody coming in. But Spirit is saying you got to heal. You have got to heal from something that took place in your past, whether it's past relationships, family issues, whatever it is. And that's what is taking so long, because you have to put in the work. But others of you guys, there's somebody coming in. the person from the past, and they want to fix this with you, but they've been trying to heal or take care of some type of family issue, and that's why patience is needed. There are romantic feelings here, but even I'm looking at finances and career, so somebody's been going through a financial situation. Tell me about keeping an open mind. Let's see. Forgiving and learning. See, if it's the past person, they want you to forgive them because they know that they messed up. But if it's someone new coming in, I told you, you guys have to put in some type of work before they come in. You know, Spirit is saying you got to forgive and heal from something that took place in your past. Tell me more. How did I know release your ex is going to try to come out? I saw that card in my head. For some of y'all need to let go of an ex, so this could be this past person. But let's see. Tell me about forgiving and learning. Calling in your soulmate. I'm telling you, this is split. Gemini, I'm getting two different energies here, so this is going to be interesting. Look, didn't I tell y'all release your ex is trying to come out, and I saw it in my head? Like, I'm telling you. For some of you guys, and then look, codependency. This could be the past person, guys, that they want to come back in. They're basically in a situation with an ex. They're not happy with this person. They're trying to get out of that situation. They've been manifesting you. But the situation that they're in is very codependent. Y'all, ooh, Gemini, this is about to be good. This is about to be good, okay? Let's see. Yeah, let's hop in, because I'll tell you, when I start breaking this down, we're going to see which way this goes. This is interesting. Or, Gemini, is it a past person coming in and you guys already met someone new? So now y'all are stuck in a situation to where you may have to choose? Ooh. Let's see. Oh, yeah, y'all. Okay. We're going to break this down. This is good. This is about to be real good. Okay, Spirit, let's do a general reading from my Geminis, please. What messages do you have for them today? What messages do you have for my Geminis? Alright, guys, let's see which way this is about to tip, because it can go either way. Okay, so I have death at the bottom of the deck. So this is telling me that somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. Or this is saying that somebody's definitely going through a transformation here. So let's see. Yep, look, somebody is trying to balance things out. Clarify. Six of Pentacles, please. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Why is the moon here? Hold on. Somebody's definitely using their intuition. Gemini, this is you. Or this is somebody that you were dealing with. Because I feel like somebody wants to come back and balance things out. Or if this is you, you're balancing things out in your life. Let's see. Tell me more. It's still split. Let's see how this is going to go. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But I feel like somebody wants stability here. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Gemini, okay, wait. I'm starting to remember y'all readings. Oh, okay. So, I'm already feeling like this is a past person. So, sorry, single Geminis. This is for the single Geminis, okay? So, I'm already feeling like this is for the past. Look at that. The Emperor and the Empress, but they're not on the same page. You guys are definitely, I feel like, dealing with a soulmate. You have been dealing with a soulmate. This also could be a twin flame. This really could. Y'all, let's see. Y'all know I don't really care for titles, so take it however it fits. But you guys are not on the same page. Somebody wants stability. Somebody wants that new beginning. But the other person doesn't. They feel like it's not going to happen because of what they did in the past. So, let's see. Yeah, somebody's coming out of being frustrated about the situation. And they want happiness. Clarify the sun, please. There's some truth about to be spoken. Tell me more. Yeah, this person was moving slow in the past. Now they're not. They're getting ready to pick up the pace. Tell me more. Justice. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. Why is justice here? Somebody's looking for the truth. Clarify. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. This person feels like you're no longer going to put the time, effort, or energy into a situation. Tell me more. some of you guys, this is not for everybody, so y'all don't panic. Because I feel like you guys would know if this is about to resonate what I'm getting ready to say, because you already know. Some of you guys could have dealt with someone that they were dealing with an ex, and now there's a child, or there's like some type of baby or children involved, and there is a legal situation going on, and that's why at this point you guys just threw the whole person away. You're like, you know what, I don't have time for this. You keep going back and forth. You're saying you want to be with me, but then you're in a situation, I don't have time. So that's why this person is scared, because now they want to come back and work things out with you. But because of the back and forth and the things that they've said and done, you're just to the point where, like, you know what, I don't want to deal with it. And they're afraid that if they come back, you're not going to give them a chance. Let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here, but I'm telling you, this person is scared. Whoever messed up, could be Gemini, cross-watcher. You could have been dealing with a Gemini. Somebody messed up. And see, because they want to have a happy home with you. Tell me more. But right now, there's little to no communication coming in. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but this person is isolating themselves right now. And I do feel like at one point they were confused about what to do, who to choose, where to go. And now they're coming out of that energy. They're coming out of that energy. Tell me more. Yeah, they've been talking to someone. They're getting advice because they're going to come back to speak their truth to you because they want to take a leap. But see, the thing is, they're keeping an eye on you. So this person is watching you, Gemini, or vice versa. But it's like I'm telling you, you guys dropped this person, but they feel like in order to be with you, they know they have to let go of whatever this situation is down here. They have to release it. So, they made a decision. Okay, let's see. Yep, they made a decision. They want to give you that offer. They're going to give you that secure offer that you deserve. But at the same time, guys, they know that in the past, they were being really, really sneaky. And so, in order for them to give you that secure offer, they know that they have to change. Because, see, they were being very immature and childish in the past. Tell me more. But right now, they're having a hard time giving you this offer because I feel like their stability isn't where they would like it to be. And at the same time, they did stab you in the back, and they're hoping that you can forgive them because the seeds that they planted, they do want them to grow, and they do want to have a peace of mind with you. So they are going to be single. They are going to get out of that situation that they put themselves in. But see, right now, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Excuse me. So the way the Three of Pentacles came out, I do feel like they want things to improve with you, but they're scared that it may not, like you're not going to give them another chance. But at the same time, I'm telling you, they're trying to get their stability together on a financial level. And see, they know that they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me about this Queen of Pentacles, please. There's something that they want to say to you, but they're not. Tell me more. Yeah, they remove themselves from a third party. If they haven't, they're getting ready to. But the thing is, they know they hurt you. They know that you're still disappointed in them. And see, they're going to come back towards you to speak their truth and let you know that they want to have a new opportunity. And see, they're coming out of being frustrated about the situation. But see, they're frustrated within themselves because they feel like they're stuck, or they felt stuck in, you know, whatever this is going on, like whatever the situation this is for them. And see, yeah, they're back and forth because see, they're stuck. They're feeling like they got to make a decision. One minute they make a decision like they know what they need to do, but then it's fear like that's holding them back. It's a lot of back and forth with this person. Tell me more. Gemini, this could be you, or you could be dealing with another Gemini, but I feel like somebody wants to balance things out with you, but at the same time, they know that they cause an imbalance. And you see the way the Hierophant came out? Could be dealing with a Taurus, but at the same time, they want to have a commitment with you, but then they're feeling like it's not going to happen. Maybe somebody has to get out of a commitment, relationship, marriage, whatever the situation is, they have to get out of something. See, whoever you're dealing with, Gemini, they're in their head big time. Cross-watcher, it could be Gemini, but the way these cards keep coming out, it's a lot of back and forth going on here. Because one minute, it's like this person made a decision, but the next minute, they're still undecided about what to do. And I feel like it's more so because your guard is up.